Here's how to check if your TV supports 4K or not. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the settings of your television, and then afterwards go to the channels and inputs and navigate yourself to the input options. Once you're already on the input options, you can now clearly see there if your TV has been supporting 4K. So the first thing that you can do is just go ahead and go to the HDMI that you wanted to support 4K, and then you can add 4K on the custom name. So what you need to do is just go ahead and edit the custom name to 4K, and it will automatically shows that your TV will support the 4K itself. So let's go ahead and type 4K right there. Once you have already typed the 4K, click on the OK options or the arrow enter that you can see from the TV keyboard. Now, once you already confirm it, you can now go ahead and see 4K under it.